What do you have? Colin, what is that?
Pancake.
Is that a pancake or a cupcake?
Pancake.
Cupcake, that's right. It's a Valentine's Day cupcake.
One for you.
Oh, that is for me? Thank you.
Welcome.
Mmm. It tastes good. Is the frosting your favorite part? Yummy, yummy.
You eat the cake.
That's a lot of cupcake, isn't it? Is that big?
Yeah, big one.
It's a big one? Can you say a big cupcake?
Big.
Can you say Happy Valentine's? You can put it on your plate. If you're all done, that's okay.
Bacon.
Are you all done?
Your bacon.
Can you say Valentine? Oh, what happened to your hands?
But message.
You got mess on it?
Like this.
Oh, like that? You kind of made a mess on your hands, huh? What are we going to do with your hands?
For you.
Oh, that's for me?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Can you say Happy Valentine's Day?